I'm not saying that this is the proper way. I'm not saying that the way you do it is wrong and that this way is better. I'm just showing you simply what works for me. So I start by removing my lashes, and I start from my outer eye. I'll just hold on to the tip and pull gently, and it comes off. I put it back on the case because I do reuse my lashes. I will clean some of the glue off of them if there's a lot of glue buildup before I rewear them. From there, I like to take a makeup wipe, and I usually use two, my whole face, to clean the makeup off. I use my bonnet just to protect my edges. Some of my hair is still exposed, and that's fine. I don't wear my edges real slick or with a lot of edge control, so the natural look is okay with me. I know a lot of people will stop here, but that is not it. The makeup is down in your pores, and you want to make sure to remove all of your makeup before going to sleep. So I like to use Albolene, and I'll just take some of it, put it in my hand, and rub it over my face. You can see the makeup on my hand, under my nail. I'm going to take a towel and dampen it. I usually use the makeup remover towel, but I cannot find it, and I haven't been wearing makeup a lot this year, so I haven't used it in a while, and I have no idea where it is. So I'm going to use this towel. And I dampen it with hot water, and I just go over and rub the the Albolene off, and you can see the makeup. I will put that towel in the dirty clothes, because if you have seen my skincare routine video, you know that I do not cleanse my face with rags or wash towels. I like to use paper towels. So from here, I just go into my regular skincare. If you haven't seen that video, I will put the link down below, and you can check that out. So from here, that's all I'm about to do. No makeup.